Introduction to the Macintosh driver for Canon imagePROGRAF printers. Main tab. From your application, select Print and then select the Main tab in the center. Here you can select your specific printer, the number of copies you wish to make, and which pages you'd like to print. The Image tab will give you an icon of your original. The size will give you the dimensions of your original coming into the driver. Under Media Type, you need to select the media type loaded on your imagePROGRAF printer. The Get Information button retrieves the information directly from the printer. Next to your media selection is the Set button. This is the paper details for your particular media. This allows for drying time in between pages or in between scans of the print head. To adjust for paper curl, you may select Near End Margin to increase the distance to keep the ends of your paper from getting soiled. At the Cut Speed drop-down, you can select Fast, Standard, or Slow. The Automatic Cutting drop-down, select None or to print a guideline so you can cut later. Calibration value, you can use the current value that's in the system or to disregard it. The mirror selection is used for reverse or backlit printing. There are two methods of setting your print type and quality: Easy Settings and Advanced Settings. Under Easy Settings, you have several print targets to choose from. You can choose the one that best matches your original. Under Advanced Settings, you have several choices. You can choose Print Priority, Print Quality, Standard, High, or Highest. Select High Precision Photographs and you can select 8-bit or 16-bit depth input. By choosing Fast Graphic Process, you allow the Canon software to do the rendering instead of the operating system. In color mode, you can select Color, Monochrome, or No Color Correction. No Color Correction allows the system to manage your color. In the Color Mode section, you can select Set. This gives you the ability to manually adjust your color balance, brightness, contrast, and saturation. To the left, Sample Type refers to the pencil image above. You may view this image in portrait, landscape, or graphic. You may also choose View Color Patterns instead of the graphic. Select the Matching tab. Here you select Driver Matching or ICC Matching modes. Under the Matching method, you select Saturation, Colorimetric, Perceptual, or Monitor Matching, depending on your image. Then you select your color space. In the ICC Matching mode, you select your input profile, your matching method, Perceptual, Saturation, Colorimetric, or Colorimetric with no white point correction. Next, under the Printer Profile Setting drop-down, select the media type you have loaded on your imagePROGRAF printer. Then choose which quality setting you want to print. For high-quality prints, choose Unidirectional Printing. For high-quality technical prints, use high-precision text and fine lines. To get a visual of your job before it prints, choose Print Preview. Select the Printer Information button to get your ink levels, and the amount of free space in your maintenance cartridge, and the feed information on your imagePROGRAF printer. Select the Information tab, and you can print your status, job logs, print a nozzle check for maintenance, and print paper detail settings for each media type. Status display gives you the same information as your print, only on your screen. Print job log display shows the job log on your screen. Print menu map gives you a route for all the menus on your imagePROGRAF printer. And View Calibration Log shows you the most recent calibration on your system. Under the Utility tab, you can run some maintenance: printhead cleaning, printhead adjustment, and paper feed amount adjustment. This ends the main tab introduction. The Information button gives you